Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to find a rational number that does not have a reciprocal. So before we begin, we must know that what is a rational number. So a rational number is a number that can be expressed that can be expressed in the form of a upon b, where a and b are integers and b will not be equal to 0. Now it has been given that the rational number that does not have a reciprocal is what? Now we know that a rational number can never have its denominator as 0. So we need to find a rational number whose reciprocal is such that its denominator becomes 0, which is not possible. So a upon 0 or 0 upon a. So our required reciprocal should have 0 as its denominator. Then only that number will not be possible. Then only reciprocal cannot be obtained. Now, since the reciprocal of the required number have 0 as its denominator, therefore original number should have 0 as its numerator. And any number which has 0 as its numerator is always equal 0. Therefore required number equals 0 upon 1, which is equal 0. So this will be our final required answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.